Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Finding early crypto gems is hard, but what if a tool could help you spot them faster? In this video, I will show you how to use GMGN AI to discover new tokens early and how beginners can use it step by step. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined GMGN AI, you can use our referral code which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for the referral link which is available into the description of the video so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever. Okay, so what is GMGN AI? It's basically a crypto analytics tool that tracks new token launches. As you can see that all the new token launches, and you can also check for the trending, and you can also check for the wallet activity and market trends. It helps traders filter through thousands of tokens and focus on the ones showing early sign of activities. Okay, so why traders use GMGN AI? Instead of manually searching for tokens, GMGN AI helps you save time, track smart wallet activity, spot early trends in the market. It's like having a dashboard that highlights potential opportunity. Okay, so here's a step one. Open GMGN AI and first go to the GMGN AI platform and open dashboard. So this is basically the dashboard of this website. Okay, you will see different sections showing token trends, okay, and analytics data as well, each and everything here. So explore token discovery. In the discovery section, you can find the discovery section here if you tap this option. Okay, and here you will see newly token launches. You can sort it by time. You can check for the trending token. You can check it by market cap. Okay, so you can check it, you can check the tokens like volume by volume, and you can also check the tokens by liquidity as well as the holders. Okay, so there's a step 3. Check key indicator. When you find a new token, check these important things like liquidity. This is the liquidity, and this is the holder count, and this is the trading volume and the market cap, and you can check the wallet activity of these holders as well. So these indicators help you understand if the token is active or risky. So track the wallet activity. One powerful full feature is wallet tracking. You can see which wallets are buying or selling a token. This helps you understand where interest is building. Okay, so make sure to use this filter to save your time. This helps narrow down your search. So verify before trading. Even if a token looks promising, always verify. Check the contract liquidity and overall market activity data before making any decision. So if you plan to use GMG and AR regularly, you can check for our referral code which is being displayed on the screen, which is IgGGT or you can also check for the referral link which is available into the description of the video so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever and it's easy to use. Okay, so start small, test the tool and learn how the data works before making bigger decision. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.